Welcome everyone to today's little project. We're going to program this LiftMaster remote for your garage door opener. I'm very cheap, so this is one of those Amazon warehouse, comes with a little sticker, and apparently this had gone out to someone or something, or who knows, but it looks brand new. To get started with this, you get your fella out of the box. You get your little metal clip. That just slides into the back of this guy. You'll have to orientate the clip to fit your needs. For myself, I want the buttons kind of facing the front of the visor in the little truck. So I'm going to slide it in from this way, and you slide till you hit the little detents, and you're good to go. A couple of different methods of programming these guys. Two methods. You can go up to your opener and find the program button down there. I believe it's called the Learn button, or you can go to the little unit you have on the wall. We'll quickly show you both. I'm going to get the ladder. We'll start by going up to the opener. Here we are, up by the opener. Our Learn button should be by the light bulb behind the dealio here. You can see this little guy there. You push that in on both sides, and this whole mechanism then will come down. As you can see, we're looking for the yellow Learn button. That's the guy right there. At this point in the process, we want to push and immediately release the button. And you can see there's an LED there. So within 30 seconds, we have to press and hold the button we want to use on our remote. 2 clicks, you release. Now make sure you're not in a spot where the door is going to knock you off the ladder, but let's give it a test. Look at that. Now you just continue this process with the other button for your other door opener. Another method to program these guys, which is a little more ideal because you're not crawling around on the ladder. Go over to your wall-mounted unit. You lift up your little push flapper, press the Learn button once, press the Learn button again, it'll flash. Go to work and press. There was a click from the unit up on the ceiling indicating that it is now programmed. And let's take a look at this. Your new unit is now programmed and ready to be used. One more additional nifty thing you can do with these guys. So I've got 2 doors and 3 buttons. So if you go to work, you push the light, the lock, and then that guy. Boom. Now, there's our opener. There's our opener. Obviously, I have to put that light back, but light off, light on, light off, light on. Very handy. Remember, subscribe, like, follow, all the good stuff.